3, 2, 1, action. Whoa, dude, I can't sleep tonight, dude. I feel like someone's watching me, dude. This is kind of weird. What's this on over my chest? Ooh, wish I knew. Why is this on? Who left this sign on top of my chest? And whoever left this didn't even take anything from the chest. Why would they do that? I'm gonna explore a little bit just to make sure everything's good. But what? Who's this guy? Why is he hiding here? What? Are you okay, dude? Oh. Yo, dude, watch out behind you, bro. Watch out. It's SCP. Wish I knew, bro. Watch. Oh shoot. SCP. Wish I knew. Dude, I'm sorry, dude. Don't kill me, bro. Please, bro. Oh no.
Crazy, all for the love of you. It won't be a Irish marriage. I can't afford the carriage. But you sweet upon the seat of a bicycle.